In this video I will be demoing the PMI SmokeNINJA Pro Hazer kit here, and also share my thoughts why I think this is a useful tool to have as an videographer or cinematographer. The reason that this SmokeNINJA Pro caught my attention is because, you know, there are a lot of these vape style smoke machines out there today, but this one was a little bit more interesting for me because of this attachment here with the what they call the Hazer kit. So this is my first time using a vape style smoke machine, but what you had to do was to remove this heat shield and then connect this chamber here and fill it up with some smoke fluid in here, and then reattach the heat shield, and that was basically it. It charges via USB-C here. You have your battery here. So now we can fire this up by pressing 1, 2, 3 on the power button. So now we can select what kind of fog we want here. If we want steam or dry ice, you know, the type of smoke that lingers on the floor or on the table. Or we can just use regular fog here. So I selected the fog setting, and then I press this button over here, and hopefully we'll get some fog. Woo! Very, very fun to play around with. But the reason that this vape style smoke machine got my attention was because of this. This is an attachment that connects via Bluetooth and turns this whole thing into like a mini HAZE machine. So I have a video here on the channel talking about my HAZE machine. That machine is fine, works perfectly, and you know, you can just set it somewhere and let it pump out HAZE into your location. But it's a large machine, so that is why this one caught my attention. So the portability of this machine is very interesting. So I'm going to fire up this attachment here. So the attachment is now connected to the SmokeNINJA Pro, and these buttons will now control the speed of the fan here. So I'm going to put it on maximum fan speed. So now I will try to haze up my living room here and see how this works. Fortunately, we have the sun shining straight through my windows, so we are probably going to see lots of beams here. Okay, so here we go. So the SmokeNINJA Pro can continuously put out smoke for 3 minutes, and the chamber can hold 15 minutes of smoke. Then you have to refill it. All right, I guess that was 3 minutes. You can see now it blinked red because there's a safety feature here that will shut down the SmokeNINJA Pro so it doesn't overheat. But you just wait for the red lights to disappear, and then you can go at it again. This is quite fun. It's like I am painting with smoke here. The smoke is of course cool to the touch. There's no heat at all. I think I'm going to do this to disperse the smoke even more. All right, I'm going to stop now. Yeah, so as you can see, we have this nice haze here in my room. The haze from the SmokeNINJA Pro feels a little bit too visible. I don't know if you can see here on camera, but you can see the smoke, you know? So I guess it could be a problem if you don't want it to be that obvious that you have smoke in the room. Ideally, we just want, you know, the shaft of light without the texture of the smoke. I guess this is a problem only if you have, you know, bright light shining like this through the haze. If you look the other way around here, we can't see any texture of the smoke. So what do I think about the SmokeNINJA Pro here? I think this is a great tool to have. I can see myself using this on smaller locations, you know, smaller rooms, and B-roll just put just a little bit of haze into that shot and not bring my other large Hazer with me. So I think this will be a great tool for those occasions. So yeah, if you got any questions, as usual, let me know in the comment section and I will see you in the next one.
Bye!